Fly ball into center. McCutchen coming on, still coming, sliding try, can't come up. Uggla will score. It's a 4-3 game.
Comes through again, Eric Hinske on a pretty good breaking ball, backdoor breaking ball, Dale. That it was apparent that they didn't care if they threw a strike or not.
Yeah, probably kicking himself a little bit that he could hit it. Probably wanted to get it just a little bit down a little bit. Dan Uggla trying to figure out what to do there. Good decision to go back and tag up, because if he would have caught it, he would have walked in anyway.